As Kenyans continue to be anxious about coronavirus hitting the country, the government, while exuding confidence that they are well prepared, says they are waiting for the way forward from the World Health Organization, which is currently holding a meeting in Geneva that will substantiate whether or not Kenya should evacuate its citizens currently living in China.
Coronavirus is exhibiting symptoms pretty much like any other fever, and therefore, for us to be certain, it's good to just do a second opinion, and that is what the results from South Africa will be confirming when we mirror them against our own results from our influenza center.
As compared to 14 countries that have evacuated its citizens from the affected areas in China, Kenya says it does not yet have the threshold yet, noting that the 14 countries had reported several deaths.
WHO Emergency Committee will meet and say, you need to respond globally in this way, and will therefore respond at that point in time. Right now, we are not allowed to behave in a manner which is outside of the guideline that they have already given us.
Further, the government has asked those who have traveled back in the country in the last 2 weeks to present themselves at health facilities, while issuing a travel advisory to those planning to leave the country.
We have systems that are working, we have teams that are prepared and ready, and indeed we are also calling on you, the Kenyans, to be able to be more sensitive. If you have traveled to China in the last 2 weeks, the incubation period of this condition is 2 weeks. Present yourself. It costs you nothing other than just being sure of.
The death toll as at today in China rose to 170 as the Chinese government continues to contain the situation. While inaugurating the new medical council, Health CS meanwhile asked the new membership to investigate the high charges in private hospitals compared to public hospitals. Nairobi Women's Hospital has in the recent past been out on the spotlight over the unexplainable high charges. The chairperson of the new medical council has assured thorough investigations into the matter. Diana Rachel Mbogwa, Ibru TV.